Imagine an AI that doesn't wait for commands, doesn't need prompts, and predicts your next move before you even think it. At CES 2026, one AI demo left engineers, journalists, and developers speechless because it wasn't just smart, it was anticipatory. Welcome back to NeuroWire Signal, the channel that decodes the real AI shifts before they hit your timeline. If you want insight instead of recycled headlines, hit like and subscribe. It helps more than you think. CES has always been about innovation, but this year, the most talked about reveal wasn't a new phone, TV, or robot. It was an AI system that observed, predicted, and acted without being told to. Why CES 2026 felt different? Every year, CES showcases cutting-edge hardware, faster chips, better screens, smarter devices, and every year, most announcements feel incremental. But 2026 was different. Attendees reported a demo that didn't rely on flashy screens or humanoid robots. Instead, it relied on behavior. The AI quietly observed people in a room, understood their intent, and responded proactively. For the first time, CES 2026 didn't just show technology. It showed a new relationship between humans and machines. People weren't interacting with the AI was interacting with them. The demo that left everyone speechless. The demo took place in a closed room with engineers, journalists, and developers. There were no prompts, no commands. As people spoke casually, the AI interpreted tone, intent, and context. It anticipated questions, prepared summaries, and even completed thoughts mid-sentence. When someone hesitated, the AI offered solutions. When another person expressed concern about an upcoming meeting, the system drafted notes automatically. Observers later said it felt like talking to someone who already knew the room. This anticipatory behavior, not reactive response, is what made the demo shocking. How this AI is different from ChatGPT and traditional assistants. We've all used chatbots and smart assistants. They answer questions, write content, or set reminders when asked. This CES 2026 AI works differently. It doesn't wait for instructions. It uses multimodal inputs, including voice patterns, environmental cues, and contextual memory to predict intent in real time. Think of it this way. ChatGPT reacts. This AI proacts. It turns information into action before you even realize you need it, from reactive tools to ambient intelligence. Until now, AI has functioned as a tool. You open it, query it, and close it. The AI revealed that CES 2026 behaves more like a layer in the environment. It continuously monitors, interprets, and learns. It doesn't interrupt unnecessarily, but it knows when to intervene. This reflects the concept of ambient computing, technology that blends into your surroundings and becomes invisible while remaining intelligent. CES 2026 hinted that we're moving towards a world where AI isn't something we use, it's something we live with. Why people felt uneasy. Many attendees described the demo as both impressive and unsettling. That reaction is understandable. Anticipatory AI raises questions of privacy and control. If a system can predict your thoughts or actions, where do you draw the line? Who decides what the AI should know and when it should act? CES 2026 wasn't just a technical demonstration, it was a warning. The technology works well enough to inspire awe and concern. Users and developers alike left the demo realizing that anticipatory AI changes the dynamics of trust. The technical side. The system combines several cutting-edge technologies. Multimodal inputs allow it to read environmental cues, conversational pauses, and vocal tone. Unlike traditional assistants, which respond to specific commands, this AI builds probabilistic models of what people might need next. It constantly updates these predictions in real time. In short, it doesn't just understand language, it understands behavior. Why this moment matters for AI development. CES 2026's reveal is more than a demonstration. It's proof that AI is moving from reaction to anticipation. Developers, businesses, and consumers are about to face a world where AI doesn't wait to be asked to do something. It sees patterns, predicts outcomes, and acts on its own judgment. For workplaces, this could mean automatic summaries, meeting prep, and task prioritization. For everyday life, AI might anticipate needs in smart homes, cars, and personal assistants. But humans will need to think carefully about boundaries, privacy, and trust. Ethical concerns and the future of privacy. Anticipatory AI highlights the most critical challenge of modern technology: trust. Continuous observation, contextual prediction, and emotional awareness all require sensitive data. Even with encryption, local processing, and strict privacy safeguards, the human element matters. Who decides what the AI should know and when it should act? How this AI could change industries. The potential applications span multiple sectors. In healthcare, anticipatory AI could suggest treatments or predict complications before they happen. In business, it could automate reports, monitor employee sentiment, or optimize workflows. In consumer tech, imagine a device that adapts your home environment automatically, adjusting lighting, temperature, or reminders based on predicted behavior. What CES 2026 revealed, a glimpse into a future where AI shifts from a passive tool to an active participant in our lives. Observers left the demo realizing that what once felt like speculation is now imminent. The question isn't if this technology will arrive, it's how prepared we are to integrate it. The broader industry trend. This AI fits into a larger pattern across tech, moving from reactive systems to proactive, context-aware intelligence. We're shifting from devices that wait for instructions to systems that interpret signals, predict behavior, and act on its own judgment. CES 2026 didn't create this trend, it confirmed it. The industry is no longer asking how smart AI can be. The question now is how invisible it can become while still remaining useful. What to expect next? The AI shown at CES 2026 won't be in consumer homes immediately. There are still technical, regulatory, and ethical hurdles. But the trajectory is clear. Anticipatory AI will start in controlled environments, workplaces, enterprise software, and specialized tools. As accuracy improves and trust frameworks mature, consumer applications will follow. When that happens, interactions with AI will feel less like asking and more like coexisting. CES 2026 didn't shock the world with a gadget. It shocked the world by showing a system that observes, understands, and predicts before being asked. The AI wasn't reactive, it was anticipatory, and that changes the game. The question isn't whether this technology is coming, it's whether we're ready to live alongside intelligence that acts before we ask. If you want to stay ahead of real AI shifts, the signals that actually matter, subscribe to NeuroWire Signal, because the future isn't louder, it's quieter, and it's already learning.